In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for flights from multiple airports using Google Flights. Whether you're planning a vacation, a business trip, or a visit to family and friends, finding the best flight deals can often involve checking out different departing airports. Google Flights makes this process straightforward and user-friendly. So let's dive in and explore how you can utilize this tool to your advantage. First things first, navigate to Google Flights by entering the following URL in your web browser: https://www.google.com/travel/flights. This takes you directly to the Google Flights search interface, a powerful, easy-to-use tool that lets you compare flights from various airlines over different dates. Upon arriving at the Google Flights homepage, you'll notice a sign-in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Choosing to sign in with your Google account is a smart move because it enables a more personalized search experience. It allows Google Flights to provide you with recommendations based on your search history, saved places, and preferences. After clicking the sign in button, select your Google account from the list provided. If you're already logged into your browser with a Google account, it might automatically suggest that account for you. Once you've selected the correct account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead, type it in, and click Next to continue. Now that you're signed in, you're ready to start searching for flights. Firstly, choose your departure location. Google Flights lets you select not just specific airports, but also cities, allowing the platform to include all nearby airports in your search. This is particularly useful if you live in a region served by multiple airports, or if you're flexible about where you begin your journey. Next up, choose your destination. Similar to selecting your departure location, you can type in a city or airport. If you're open to suggestions or looking for inspiration, Google Flights also offers an Explore feature, which we'll touch on a bit later. With your location set, it's time to choose your travel dates. Google Flights offers a straightforward calendar interface where you can quickly browse prices for different days. This is incredibly useful for identifying the cheapest times to fly. Once you've selected both your departure and return dates, click Done to confirm. For those who haven't locked in their dates or are hunting for the best possible deal, exploring flexible dates is an excellent strategy. Click on the Explore tab, then select the Dates section to reveal options for flexible travel dates. You can choose ranges like weekend in March, or specify that you're looking at a month-long window if you're very flexible. This feature is a superb way to visualize how shifting your travel dates by a few days can dramatically impact the cost. After setting your flexible dates, confirm your choice by clicking Done. You're now ready to review the flight options Google Flights has compiled for you. The results include a variety of airlines, times, and price points across multiple airports if you chose a city as your departure or destination point. Review the flight options available. Google Flights does an excellent job at sorting through the plethora of information to present you with convenient options based on your search criteria. If you did choose multiple airports, take note of how changing your departure or arrival airport can affect your flight's price and duration. This flexibility might help you land a great deal or find a more convenient flight time. Using these tools and tips on Google Flights can significantly simplify the process of finding the best flights for your trips. Remember, being flexible with your departure or arrival airports, as well as your dates, can unlock significant savings or more convenient travel options. Happy flight hunting, and may your future travels be both rewarding and enjoyable.